It's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this application form using contact form WordPress plugin for free. So imagine the following scenario: we have a careers page and employment, a hiring page into our WordPress website, and we would like to receive some resumes from this contact form. This is the solution for you, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, okay? So let's get this started. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna start assuming that you already have installed the Contact Form 7 WordPress plugin, okay? If you don't know how to install and set up Contact Form 7, just search on Google or YouTube for Contact Form 7 Visual Modo, so you can see from our tutorials or videos how to do this. After, go back right here, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. We're gonna be installing a plugin add-on, okay? So into the upper right corner of our screen, next to search plugins, we're gonna click and type Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7. And here is the guide we're looking for, okay? So you're gonna be able to see one called install now, okay? In mine it's called activate because I already have the plugin installed. And as soon as you click on install now, then click into the activate, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. And if you review the left sidebar of menus, you're gonna be able to see the Ultimate Add-ons new button. If you install the plugin for the first time and click on activate, you're gonna be redirected instead of this page to this page right here, the setup wizard page, okay? So nothing to worry, but here is an important step. You need to set on into every single free feature you see. So if you see a green free feature like conditional field, country dropdown, digital signature, AI form generator, you need to select on. You need to switch it to on into every single free feature. Of course, plugin is doing this to try to sell you the pro version. If you don't want to buy the pro version, no problem, okay? You still can have an application form. Then click into the bottom right corner next button. Then into the AI form generator, into the field, scroll down and search for the application form. Now click on generate with AI. Now click on create your form. The form has been created. Here is the shortcodes. We're gonna explore this later, but for get started, we're gonna need to copy this shortcode right here. Go to a page, click on add new page, or go to a previously made page and apply the form shortcode. All we have to do it's type the shortcode or enter with the click into the plus button, search for the shortcode block and enter the shortcode link right here, okay? Both ways work. Let's review the page. Let me publish the page so we can test more. Here is the page. Of course, you can apply this form into some column layout, you can apply this form into some other section, you can apply a map right here, okay, something like this, or some text, but here is our application form. Now, as you can see, we have full name, email, phone, position applied for, cover letter, and the resume option to upload, okay, and you can submit the application. Let's focus now just a little bit into the forms code. Label, full name, label, email address, label, phone number. These all are labels, so you can select the text right here and change for your language to change the text in the case that you want. And right here, position applied for, select position. So we have software development. So in the case that you want to apply a new position, you're gonna copy a previously made position and repeat the code style, type space, enter the position and change the name, for example, test, just like this. Now into the upper right corner of our screen, we're gonna hit the save button to save the form and test the page. Now we have a new position, test, and you can keep customizing the form using this idea, okay? Simple, easy, effective, and works for free. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.